Hello discount wholesalers. So I'm going to show you one of the loads that we have in-house that you can purchase directly from a sales representative, and this is a full load that you can get for lower than $5,000. As of right now, we have a sale going on, which I'm going to leave the details in the description on how you can purchase this. We consider this its title is like a furniture load, but in fact it is more like a GM, outdoor, indoor. You can find some fans, you can find furniture for your bedroom, for your kitchen, chairs and stuff like that. These are case packed, although let me tell you a pro and to why. Obviously I'm not going to tell you cons on these loads right here, but the pro is that sometimes there's pieces that like furniture that you need box 1, box 2, box 3 or whatever it is, and the great thing whenever you buy the whole load means part 1 could be on this pallet right here, part 2 could be right here. So say you get this pallet right here and you're like, oh well, I have a missing piece. Well, yes, if you buy the whole load, that won't happen. But yeah, look at this beauty, and you have some really great stuff. Look at that. That's like a shed or like a tent, and obviously you can see exactly what you're receiving, but oh, this is like a storage container. But they have like codes. If you look this up right here, it will tell you what's in there, the codes. But yeah, get the whole load. That way you won't miss a piece or anything. And this one, ready to get shipped out. So if you're interested in this load right here, feel free to reach out. A full load. And of course, you can contact us at 910-536-1440.